morning. It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. I look a mess. I am a mess, and I'm going to explain all about it. So 2 days ago, my husband was like, oh my goodness, you are on fire. You are on your upswing. You are doing, like, he was calling me out as being like over the top, full of energy. And I was like, hey, this is the way I am all the time. Stop it. Leave me alone. Okay, so he was right. I was on fire. Like, I was jumping out of bed. His lunch was made in 5 minutes, and I didn't even stop for coffee. I was already exercising, all the things. Here's the thing about an upswing. I mean, seriously, there's a downswing to an upswing. So it's the 50-50 of life, you know. We're like, it's the pendulum is like over here and then down here and then over here. And so, yeah, here I am. It's Wednesday morning, and I am so grateful that my closet was pretty much perfect, clean. There's nothing to talk about in my closet because I feel terrible. I slept through every alarm. And I'm on the moon. Yeah, so tired. So that's the 50-50 of life. When you have an upswing, get ready for the pendulum to drop. Okay, all that aside. That's why I look like this. That's why I'm just trying to be consistent here and be on at 8 o'clock. But I am so behind the 8 ball. You can't always be in front of the 8 ball. That's the bottom line. Which is so about what I've been talking about all month. Self-care, self-love, and it's the 50-50 of life. And the ebb and flow, just like the ocean. And it's okay. It's all right. It's life. It's okay. But I'm here to say that having your closet in order is such an amazing thing for days like this, when you don't even feel like getting dressed, when you don't even want to get out of bed, but you have to. It's so nice to open up the closet and be like, oh, there is no stress in here. Okay, let me just get dressed. So I'm here to encourage you to get your closet in order for the stressful days, because here's the thing, they're going to come, right? 50-50, the pendulum, ebb and flow. It's life, and it's okay. It's all right. What else was I going to say? Oh, on the subject of self-care. If you are in the habit of saying, oh, don't look at my nails. I haven't done my nails. Oh, don't look at my toes. I haven't done my toes. You know, like, I have heard that recently, and I'm like, anytime you hear a story where you have to, like, apologize for your self-care in front of other people is a clue. Just do it. Just take care of yourself. And then you can, like, totally erase that story out of your vocabulary. So if you need help with that, I have the 14-day self-care challenge. Link is in my bio. There is the How to Elevate Your Self-Care Beauty Routine. That's in there too. And I talk in there about the ebb and flow of life, which, you know, the more grace that we can give ourselves, when we're on the flow part, the better. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. It's all about small choices we make every day that can set us up, right? For the days when we're not feeling so hot. We're just like, hey, that's okay. That's life. And we got this. I think that's all I wanted to say about the closet. I mean, I was so grateful that I opened the closet. There's nothing to do in here. Can you say that about your closet on a stressful day? I highly encourage you. Go for it. Talk to you soon. Bye.